Hi everyone, I would like to present my system, Document Management and Control System DMCS. Documents are very crucial to a company as everything you need to run for your business should be in some sort of documentations. Paper documents are produced every day which will eventually running out of file cabinets. Therefore, a web-based system DMCS is built to help an organization to store, organize, capture, tag, approve, control, and access the files and documents. The problem of the paper documents are the accumulative of the document produced day by day will eventually be causing running out of space to store all these documents. The cost of an organization is increased due to the requirement to buy ink, file, paper, filing cabinets, and staff and other requirements to store all these documents. The paper documents is unstructured and requires staff to organize the document manually. It is also difficult to track the latest version of documents for a massive amount and unstructured documents. The sensitivity documents are also easily accessed by the unauthorized staff and thus increases the chances of leaking the data. Therefore, DMCS is built to provide the cloud storage to solve the space limitations. The user is able to manage and organize the documents in the web system. The system is able to control the version of documents which only the latest version is available to use. The function of document access right is provided to control only group of users is able to access certain documents. The system objectives are to provide a web platform for the user to better organize and manage documents, to ensure that the current version of applicable documents are available at points of use, to provide a secure cloud storage for storing documents. There are 6 modules in DMCS which are document creation and modification, workflow automation, document conversion, document security, user dashboard, and reporting dashboard. For architecture diagrams, there are 7 user interface which are document UI, template UI, notification UI, PDF, editor UI, initiative UI, accessory UI, and dashboard UI. Each of them are connected to the web server. Web server consists of three layers which are presentation layer, application layer, and data layer. In presentation layer, the user interacts with the system via HTTP requests and responses in browser. HTML5, JavaScript, and CSS are used in the presentation layer. In the application layer, it manages the flows of the application, implement business logic, and connect the data layer to process requests from users and their responses. ASP.NET and C# are used in the application layer. In data layer, it handles all of the data that the user process and pass from DMCS. Microsoft Office SQL Server are used in data layer. The web server is connected with the database and web services. The database is where the data stored and retrieved, whereas the web service is the DMCS interact with other applications. The benefits and impacts are to reduce the time of managing and organizing the bulk of documents. Storage space and cost of an organization is reduced, and then the document security is enhanced. Before I go to my system, I would like to explain some of the user roles functions. For this listing is the user account which I already created, and then Siti, Ali, Taylor, Mutu, Alex is under finance department. Lily, Jason, Eric, Kelly is under sales department. And then we have 4 document status which are draft. Document is saved as draft and can be modified, and then pending approval is submitted and cannot be modified. The document is approved by own department manager, and then the latest version is the document is approved and released to use. Previous version is the document is replaced with new documents. Admins and sysadmin is control the whole program, and then manager is to approve or create a document. Staff is to create the document. So then this user group is for the access the document. All which is means by the document can be accessed by all members. AAP group is account payable group, which includes of Cindy, Atlee, and Taylor. And then AR group is account receivable, Cindy, Mutu, and Alex. Because Cindy is the manager of the department, she needs to include in these 2 groups. And then sales group includes of Lily, Jason, Eric, and Kelly. And then menu accessed by is like the menu is can access by whom. So for example, document listing is can accessed by all the staff or member, and then modify ownership can be accessed by manager, and then template can be accessed by all, and then notification can be accessed by manager, PDF editor can be accessed by all, and then administrative and access right menu can be accessed by admin or sysadmin only, and then dashboard can be accessed by all the member. So admin and sysadmin is able to access all the menu. So right now I will go into my system, and then I will log in as the staff of the finance department, admin, and then the password is the 123. So after login, I will go to the document part to create document. This is the listing of the document, and then there will be the user can choose to create the document by upload or use the text editor. So for example, this one is the create document menu. Then after that, I create DOC003, and then Ali is under account payable group, so he's take control of the purchase order, and then category is under finance, and then this keyword is to search the document faster, and then I just put purchase ABC, and then after that I choose the user can choose template from this system. The template is created under this part, and then I have created some of the template. So right now I choose the purchase order template, and then it automatically show in this text editor. So after that, the user are able to edit this document. For example, if I put ABC, and then I click save as. There is two save, which is save as draft and submit. Save as draft is to can be edit next time, and then submit is cannot be edited anymore and sent to the manager to approve. Right now I choose save as draft first, and then back to list. We are able to see that DOC003 is under revision 1 draft only. Then after that I click edit again, and then I put PPO number 123, and then I click save as draft. No, I click submit to send this document for the manager to approve my document. So this comment is actually for the manager. After they see the document, they feel not okay to your document, they can choose to reject your document, and then can put some comment to this document. So this is the function of the create. After that, I will talk about the upload document, which is upload from your local computer to this system. So right now I put DOC003, and then this is also purchase order, and then this is finance, and then the keyword is purchase company ABC, and then the user can choose file from the local computer. They can choose in DOC file format or PDF only, in Word format or PDF format. So if I click upload, then it will automatically show in this text editor. And then if I choose PDF, it also will automatically show in this text editor. So I will choose back the purchase order, and then I put ABC again, and then PO number 1234, and then I click submit. Because the DOC003 existed, so therefore it cannot be create another again, because the document number is unique. So I put DOC004 and then click submit again. So right now the message is show submit successfully. So back to the listing, and then this filter function is combined, which means like if I choose DOC001, it will show sales invoice, right? And then if I choose purchase order, it will not show no matching records files. So this filter is combination, is combined, and then all showing all the document. And then for this keyword is like just now you have saw the keywords column, right? That one is to filter the document based on the keywords. So if I put company ABC, it will show the listing of the documents that have the keywords of company ABC. And then after that, this is edit function, and then this one is copy, which is you can copy the document to create a new document. So this is faster the process of the creations. And then this one is export the document. This one is fill the document. And then last one is the export document. The user can export the document into Word or PDF format. If I choose Word, then it will download automatically to your computer. Then it will show something like this. And then PDF also same. You will be able to export as PDF as well, and then you automatically download to your computer. So after that, right now I'm logged in as Ali as the staff of the finance department. So he will not be able to access this menu, which can be accessed by manager only. So right now I click modify ownership, then it will show that user is not authorized to access modify ownership. Click contact administrator. It will show a message, so he will not be able to access this menu. So for the template document is almost for the template menu is almost same as the document function which have created the edit and then also require the manager to approve or reject or anything. Also almost same as the document. So I would like to pass this, and then I will go to the notification that pending approval listing. So right now I will log in as Cindy, which is the manager of the document. The manager of the finance department. And then when I click this notification list, just now I have submitted DOC 002 and DOC 004. So right now, you will see that DOC 004 pending approval Ali is showing in this pending approval list. So this is to view the document, and then this is to approve, and then this one is to reject. So to reject, then you can put some comment. The comment will be shown in this, will be shown to the user, and then the user is required to edit the document and send this document to the manager to approve again. So right now I go to approve, and then under approve, there will be document access group, which is mean like this document can be accessed by who. So for example, it only can be accessed by AP group. So right now I choose AP group, and then I click confirm approve. And then after that, if I go to create document, and then Cindy will be able to see DOC 004 purchase order Ali, because Cindy is under the AP group. Right, if I right now log in as Mutu, which is AR group of the member of the AR group, and then I go to Mutu DOC 004, right? And then the Mutu, you will not be able to see the Mutu will not able to see the document which is created by Ali because they are not in the same group. So this is the function of the access right. After this, I will talk about the PDF editor, which is COC menu. So actually this COC is it's the certificate of conformance. So it's like you create a document, and then I put I just simply put anything 999, and then just simply put anything, any information. After I click save, and then I go to this COC number 999, this one, and then you will be able to see that all the information will be filled into this table. So actually the user is provide me the template of the COC in PDF format, and then I just fill in all the information into this PDF. This is a function of the PDF editor. And then for merge PDF is merging few PDF into one PDF. So I have created some. Maybe I just simply put testing 2. And then you will see that this is the certificate of conformance, and then with the invoice, something like merging 2 PDF into 1 PDF. And then administrative is only can be accessed by the administrator only. So I will access right also will be by admin, and then dashboard document revisions is to see the latest version of the document. You can see all this in this table. So now I will log in as admin. Log in as admin now. And after this, admin can access to this menu. So I access to user department is to create the department. To create the department of the company, and then user access group is to create a group to access to the menu. And then user access setup is for example, if I can choose which group I want and then can access which menu. This is controlled by the admin. And then user profile is to create the profile. So during the creation of the profile, the user is required to put the user group under user group ID. So this one is to access so that to which the user can access to which document. So this is the function of the user group. And then for access right is like for the document access group. So under AP group, for example, under AP group got Cindy, Ali, and Taylor. And then you can add any member you like, so that this member can access to this document only. So that's all from me. Thank you.